Are you a golfer and you want to increase your swing? Do this. Relax. Bend the knee and swing. Give your spine movement. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, hand up. So your feet is turn up. Yes. Triangle, side bend, exhale. Yes. Hand up, inhale. Exhale. Hand up, inhale. Exhale. Come back. Yes. Change to the other side. Now turn this way. Inhale. Exhale. Center. Yes. Exhale. How far you can go? Yes. Inhale, center. Exhale. Center. Exhale there. Look up. Very nice. Now hand down. If you cannot touch, you can bend. Yes. And then hand up. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hand down. This one also hand up. Yes. Hand down. Look up. Step back. To another side. Step forward. Bend. Hand up. Hand down. Other side, hand up. Hand down. Lift up. Hand center. Exhale. Center. Yes. Step back. Relax. To another side. Forward. Up. And up. And down. This one up. Down. Lift up. Hand on the heart center. Then twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. If you cannot too hard for you, the knee up, you can knee down. And twist. Come back. Yes. Relax. Child pose. That is for swing. Have a good day. Yes. Left.